My name is Shivam Mishra and I belong to Bhopal. I was born and brought up here. After that, I completed my graduation with a degree in Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering from IIT Roorkee in 2014. So after that, I did a job as a software engineer for 2 years at a company called Amadeus Labs in Bangalore. Post that, I have been pursuing the field of civil services preparation. Alongside this, my father has been a government servant in the State Higher Education Department of Government of Madhya Pradesh. So they have been constantly supporting me and guiding me to clear this exam. And through their wishes and good luck, I have been. My success mantra was looking to do hard work each and every day and complete the task that I had in mind. So if I had a task of completing a topic of mathematics or general studies, I tried to stick to that task. If I could not meet the deadline, I tried to finish them in the earliest possible time. And the other thing was that my family and my friends constantly supported me, and my teachers guided me that yes, I should pursue this exam for another attempt, that I will be able to clear this. So their support along with my hard work was my ultimate success. The obstructions that during this civil services exam process are basically the long process that it takes. If somebody is not able to clear the preliminary stage, then it comes with a 1 year gap. So students should have a clear-cut strategy of completing their course as well as their syllabus in a time-bound manner and revising it multiple times, because it is a competitive examination and they need to have an edge over others. So the obstacles I faced were of the same nature. I could not clear the preliminary stage in 2018, so I decided to focus on my optional and general studies preparation along with dedicated answer writing, so that I could be prepared for the exam that is upcoming in the next year. For hours of study, it was not fixed for me, but after clearing the preliminary stage, I used to study for 12 to 13 hours daily, and I divided the time around 50% for my optional and around 50% for my general studies topics. So that was my plan of study, and before the main examination, I used to study for 6-7 hours daily for civil services. Students who are not having a good academic background or do not come from elite institutions that we call such as IITs, IIMs, they do have a chance to clear this examination, because for myself it required 4 attempts, and there were many students who were fortunate enough to clear this exam in the first attempt. All that is required is to have a grasp over the syllabus of this examination and to complete the papers in a requisite amount of time with thorough understanding of what is being asked and what is to be answered, so that they can make it to the final list. Group discussion, I had a close group of 4 to 5 friends from my college, so I was fortunate enough to discuss with them on a daily basis all the current happenings that were going on, any shortcomings that I found with my answers, any guidance that I required apart from what was given to me by teachers. And there were many seniors of mine who were already in services, so I had the benefit of them guiding me during the course of my journey. The demotivation that may come in your way, you should have a faith in your abilities, because we should never underestimate ourselves. Even if we have cleared the preliminary stage, we are one among the thousands who have cleared this stage, but we have to look at that there were lakhs of students who had appeared for this, so we should look in a positive light, and we should always have faith on the people who support us, such as our family and close friends and teachers who guide us constantly, that yes, we can clear this exam. So instead of focusing on the demotivating aspect, we should focus on people who support us, such as our family and friends. For mains answer writing, I would suggest that fellow aspirants should measure their writing speed, because I had a slow writing speed, so I could not finish the paper in 3 hours. I worked upon that so that I could complete the question paper. I gave a lot of tests, especially for general studies, so that I could have a practice before the actual exam. So I gave all the 7 papers of the civil services main examination in the same schedule that it is there, that is from 9 to 12 and from 2 to 5. I gave all the 7 papers in the exactly same pattern 1 week before the exam. Apart from that, for daily answer writing, I used various online initiatives and I used to write 1 or 2 answers daily and evaluate this with myself and with the help of my friends who were preparing for this exam. To all the fellow civil services aspirants, I would like to say that they should keep continuing with their hard work, have faith in the teachers that are guiding them and their parents, because this exam requires a lot of support, not only from oneself but from the environment that we are in, namely our family, our friends. So they should have faith in their abilities, they should not underestimate their capability and believe that they will be able to clear this exam one day, no matter what the result may be in the past. My father is Mr. Deepak Mishra. He works in the higher education department for the government of Madhya Pradesh, and my mother's name is Srimati Rekha Mishra and she is a housewife.
अभिभावक होने के नाते मैं आप सबके सामने ये कहना चाहूँगा कि शिवम मिश्रा बचपन से ही बहुत मेधावी और होनहार छात्र थे। कक्षा 5वीं में प्रावीण्य सूची में इनका स्थान आया था। जब इनको पारितोषिक दिया जा रहा था तो ये बाहर गए हुए थे, तो इनके बिहार पे उनके दादाजी ने स्कूल शिक्षा मंत्री से उनका पारितोषिक प्राप्त किया था और सीबीएसई की 10वीं और 12वीं परीक्षा में भी उन्होंने अव्वल नंबर से उत्तीर्ण करी है और फिर उसके बाद आईआईटी के लिए तैयारी करी। पहले तो उन्होंने एक छोटी मोटी कोचिंग करी, उसके बाद इसमें विजन इन्फिनिटी से उन्होंने ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1181 2010 में प्राप्त करी। उसके बाद भारतवर्ष के जाने माने उत्तराखंड स्थित भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान आईआईटी रुड़की से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन में बीटेक की उपाधि प्राप्त।
The interview experience was very good. Sir asked me relevant questions about my personality, my home state, my city of residence, my hobbies, and apart from that he asked relevant international and national issues as well. The feedback provided by sir was excellent, I believe, because he gave me areas to work upon, asked me my strengths and weaknesses and how could I improve upon them. So overall it was a very good experience.